Yo, what's good everyone? Come on in, welcome back to my channel. This is Blasting Off with X. I am your boy Xavier. Thank you guys for joining me here for another video as always. Before we jump into things on today, you already know the routine. Go ahead and thumbs up this video as well as subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Guys, we are back with another Doja Cat reaction video. Today she dropped her videos, her official live performance of her song entitled Love to Dream. I don't know about anybody else, but I love to dream because you can never get too much sleep. Who hates sleep besides babies and the devil himself? And as always, guys, with the help of my handy dandy unicorn headphones, let's jump into it. Doja Cat, Love to Remember. Oh wow. Whoa, the visuals.
I know what you mean. You don't fuck with randoms. I got everything but real love. I got in my head. I bet you could get me back up. Or you could leave.
Yo, check out her earrings.
Just love to dream. I better sleep when you woke up. Oh, it's not you.
Okay, so I'm gonna just pause it right there. Wow. So first of all, off the top, visuals. Doja Cat with her new album, she has been dropping these visuals, like everything has just been literally out of this world. The visuals, like it seems as though she's in some sort of desert and she's on a golden platform looking like the goddess that she is. And the vocals, y'all. This is a pretty song. So this is my first time hearing the song. I haven't actually listened to the album in full. I'm babbling at this point. So yeah, we're just gonna get back into the video. Wow, she sounds so pretty. It could feel like anything is possible. It really drives it deep. Woke up in a sweating all night, all night. Yo, this is such a pretty song. I know what you mean. You don't fuck with randoms. I got everything but real love. I got in my head. I bet you could get me back out, or you could leave me there, 'cause we just love to dream. Oh my gosh, okay. Alright, so obviously she about to kill it. Look at that stance, like she like, look, I'm about to give it to you and you have no choice but to eat it up. Yeah, but y'all, this song is so pretty. Like her voice is just so airy, like we're in the clouds, even though she's out there in that hot behind desert. This is such a pretty song. Oh my gosh, I think so far, like out of all the songs that I heard so far of her album, this one might be my favorite. Oh. So you gonna give it to us later and then go back to this airy goddess voice? The audacity. Same girl. Ooh. Oh, she sounds good. Yes. Yes. Wow. That. Bravo. Hats off to you, Doja Cat. You did the daggone thing on that song. The visuals was just phenomenal. And her voice was just so like an angel. Like, it was just so nice and lovely. Of course, it gave me chill bumps. Like, I live for like some good music. She's doing the daggone thing. Doja Cat, folks. Doja Cat. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me here for another video. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your views. Hope you guys are having an amazing day out there. As always, make sure you go ahead and like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. As always, guys, this is your boy Xavier signing out.